Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a quest in AUT. To start, navigate to your main menu, then locate and open your quest log, which is typically found within the bottom right corner of your interface. This log is usually represented by an open book or a scroll icon. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of all your active and pending quests, ready for your review. Once your quest log is open, carefully scroll through the list of ongoing and completed quests. Take your time to identify the exact quest you intend to delete. After locating it, simply click on the quest's title or entry once to select it, bringing up its detailed description and objectives on the right-hand side of your screen. This step ensures you have chosen the correct one. With your chosen quest selected, direct your attention to the detailed information panel, usually positioned to the right of your quest list. Here, you should clearly see a button labeled either Delete Quest or Abandon Quest. This button is typically situated near the bottom or top right corner of the panel. Do not click it just yet, as there is one more crucial step. Upon clicking the Delete Quest button, a small but vital confirmation pop-up window will appear in the center of your screen. This window will often ask if you are absolutely sure you wish to abandon the selected quest, warning you that progress might be lost. Take a moment to read the message fully, then choose Yes or Confirm to finalize your decision. There is no undo button after this step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.